San Ponyo, director Joe's illustration for anime's 5th anniversary. We will continue to convey the story of Komiko, her friends, and her passionate, sparkling youth. The first season of the San Ponyo anime debuted in Japan on April 7. To celebrate the anime's 5th anniversary, series director Tatsuya Ishihara drew an image of the show's sprawling cast, which was released on San Ponyo official website. The website states that Ishihara poured all of his feeling of gratitude towards those who supported the series into the artwork. It also states that it will continue to convey the story of Komiko, her friends, and their passionate, sparkling youth. The site encourages fans to use the image as a wallpaper and provided download links for both smartphone and PC size resolutions.